Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go outside so I can show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have the 2014 Mercedes-Benz SLK-250. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power folding heated side mirrors with signals, alarm system, slightly tinted glass, and much more. Offering rewarding performance in a dignified package, the compact 2014 Mercedes SLK class is a standout luxury convertible. With the press of the button, you can easily open and close the power convertible hardtop. This Mercedes-Benz has 17-inch wheels with silver accents and high-performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mercedes-Benz is in great condition. It has full automatic projector beam halogen daytime running lamps with delay off, along with fog lights, rain detecting heated wipers with a really nice grille and chrome bar to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has rear-wheel drive and is estimated the driver receive an impressive 26 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Mercedes-Benz only has 53,573 miles on it. At the back of the Mercedes-Benz, you can see the antenna, the quad exhaust, large LED brake lights. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking at the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice wood grain and metallic accents. Drivers and passengers feel very comfortable in the power adjustable heated leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Mercedes-Benz also equipped with a locking glove box, garage door opener, and push button start. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, headlights, parking brake, and driver seat features. The power door locks, auto lock, power windows, and express up and down. This Mercedes-Benz has a very comfortable power tilting telescoping leather wrap steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your media and features 8 speakers. That includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB auxiliary ports. This advanced system has speed compensating volume. You also have a large climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at our website, sparkstoyota.com.